Presenting the Lenovo Ideacentre A340 all-in-one PC. The PC has a sleek design with thin bezels. This PC is powered by the 10th generation Intel Core i3 processor that has a base frequency of 2.1 GHz and a maximum frequency of 4.1 GHz. The 4 GB of DDR4 SD RAM and integrated UHD graphics coprocessor give users optimum quality and lag-free experience. The PC comes with 1 TB of hard drive with 5400 RPM and an eSATA hard drive interface. The desktop has a screen size of 21.5 inch with 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution. The PC has 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 HDMI port, 1 audio out port, 1 Ethernet port and 1 microphone port. Inside the box, all-in-one PC, mouse, keyboard, stand, manual and warranty. This desktop comes with a standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.